Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin joining us now with a great fall recipe. Hi, Ange.
Hi.
How are you?
No, good. How are you, Mark?
Great. Looking forward to this
Good.
recipe.
Well, nothing says fall in Wisconsin like Wisconsin cheddar cheese and apple, so it's a perfect pairing combination. And today we're making a cheddar apple pie bar that has 3 delicious layers of goodness. The first layer is the base layer, and it has 1 1/2 cups of Hooks 1-year sharp cheddar baked right into the crust, along with 3 sticks of Wisconsin butter. So you can imagine how rich and delicious this is. Of course, there's flour, sugar. There's also a base layer of 6 apples that have been cored and sliced and peeled. And then the top layer again with that cheddar cheese pie crust. So when you bake it in the oven for 60 minutes, it turns golden brown, and you can really make it smells your house absolutely wonderful. So it's really great to serve. Of course, the star ingredient, like I said, is that Wisconsin cheddar that's baked right into the crust. So Wisconsin leads the nation in cheddar cheese. You can buy fresh cheddar curds, 1-year, 2-year, 3-year, even 10 or 20-year aged cheddar. So we've won a lot of awards in Wisconsin for our cheddar cheese. And Hooks is a cheese company that's local here, right over in Mineral Point. So I should mention, Mark, that when you have these warm apple pie bars, we do recommend serving it a la mode with Wisconsin ice cream. The best way to serve it, and get lots of real delicious dairy products with this serving. So ice cream, butter, and cheddar cheese make this a perfect fall treat. So I wish I could bring you some, but I will make the recipe available, and everyone can find it at wisconsincheese.com.
I wish you could deliver it as well. All right, Ange. WisconsinCheese.com. I'm hungry now. We'll see you next time.